In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Leonardo AI character reference so you can keep your character consistent while generating new images. This is really useful if you want the same face, outfit, or style to appear across multiple creations, whether you're making social media content, story visuals, or concept art. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Leonardo AI and go to your workspace. Once you're inside, look for the image menu button in the middle of the screen and click it. This is where you'll start setting up your image generation. Next, choose your preferred model from the model drop-down menu. This part is important because character reference is not available in every model. For best results, use a compatible model like Phoenix. After that, set your quality, style, image dimensions, and number of generations based on the type of result you want. If you want cleaner and more detailed output, choose settings that match your goal before you generate anything. Now scroll or look for the text prompt bar. This is where Leonardo AI lets you describe the image you want to create. Before typing your prompt, press the upload button and select character reference. Then upload the reference image of the character you want Leonardo AI to follow. Make sure your image clearly shows the character's face or full appearance, because the better the reference image, the better the consistency in the results. If the character reference option is not showing up, double check that you selected a compatible model from the drop-down menu. Again, not all models support this feature, so switching to a supported model like Phoenix usually fixes the issue. Once your reference image is uploaded, type your text prompt in the prompt bar. Be specific about the scene, pose, outfit, background, or mood you want. The more detail you provide, the better Leonardo AI can combine your prompt with the uploaded character reference. After everything looks good, click Generate. Leonardo AI will then create your image using the reference you uploaded, helping keep the character style and identity much more consistent. If the first result is not exactly what you want, don't worry. You can adjust your prompt, try a different compatible model, or tweak the quality and style settings to improve the output. That's the basic process for using Leonardo AI character reference. Open the workspace, choose a compatible model, upload your character reference, write your prompt, and generate. It's a simple workflow, but it can make a huge difference in creating consistent AI artwork. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.